Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. So it's Thursday, so let's go straight to NASDAQ, US30 and gold. So you see the gold and US30 and NASDAQ, now they just going up and down. And when something like this happen, guys, you should be concerned, because I think maybe, let me check the choose the color, which, yeah, when you see the market doing something like this, just know that we can see a very strong sell-off. We can see like a sell-off until maybe, let's say, 14,600. So you can see, we just see this aggressive moves just happen now and then around here. So just know that we can expect a very strong sell-off. Even if maybe there will be any other news that can push the market lower, whatever. But just know that most of the time when we see the market doing something like this, we can see the market later on, tomorrow or today, we can see the market selling off. Then we will have another nice push. So let's draw our next our trend lines again. So please don't jump on the market when you see something like this happening. You know what we do now, we just have to draw our trend line again, but they've been there for some time, which means they show that actually this support was very strong, or the trend line was just valid as we were preaching. So you see, this is very steep, guys. So it means the market has to sell off to get that momentum again. So let's use maybe daily time frame. I just want to show you something. So what I'm expecting, not now, but maybe the market can, let me just do that. I expect the market to reach these areas anytime soon, guys. I expect the market to come bounce around this here. I think the market can do something like that before we can see another bullish momentum. It's possible that we can see another push. It's also possible, guys, but for my experience, I think we can expect a very nice sell-off. Then it means whether you're going to buy here or whatever, please make sure you place your stop loss, so that if the market keeps going lower, then you will be safe. The point is to be safe in the market. We still want you tomorrow in the market, guys. We need to eat together. We need to eat, guys. So if you want to be in my group, guys, there's a NASDAQ and US30 only, with gold. Now it's on special. It's $15. Just join the group. Then the VIP, which you have everything, still $25, but this weekend is going back to $100. So if you want to be in the group for those signals, just check me out. Check my description. You will find my contacts there. So you can see, or maybe let me just write them here. It's 27, my country code 739909801. These are my numbers. If you want them, here they are. You can just post so that you can just write them down, then you can just WhatsApp me. It's fine if you want to be in the group. $15, guys. If you miss this one, then it's up to you. So look, guys, here the market, we can wait here. Let's say if the market sells off until this area, we will be looking to buy around, like, let's say 14,700 or between that. So if the market breaks that, then we will be expecting what I was talking about, then saying that the market can reach these areas before we can see another push. These things happen now and then, so you don't have to be surprised when you see something like that happen. So let's just do let's just do our analysis and see what we can expect. We already did have some nice moves and nice trades yesterday. Even today, we already killed US30. You can see this. It's very nice. And remember, it's 2 hours, guys. It means it's a bit strong, not as strong as that, as we supposed to rely on it. But you can see that this really makes sense. So here it seems like we have this. It's a resistance, you can see that. So here it's our resistance. So if it's broken, wait for the market to reach it. Sorry, let me just show you something again. So it means if maybe you want to buy around this area, make sure that your stop loss is around here. When that is broken, just wait for the market to come here. Don't place your stop loss here, because we have like double support. This is a strong one. This is just an inner support, which is also a bit strong. Then, but when you place your stop loss, make it very close to this support here so that you don't lose much. Then you can be safe. If maybe the market keeps going lower, you still have a support here, but we don't know if maybe this support will keep up. If it's broken, we're going to wait for the market to give us that sell-off, then we can have some nice buy later on. But at the moment, I see the market may be struggling. We can see we have this resistance. We can also draw something like I don't think that will be valid. Let me remove that. It's not valid. The one which was valid is this one. Let me show you that. The one which was valid, it's back then. Yeah, something like this. Here you can see something like this. These ones were valid. You can see the market was just creating those small supports and resistance, but here it's not really clear, you see, but it seems like it's happening here. So maybe we can see a breakout, then the market can create something like this, moving up higher. So another thing that you can realize, that the market might go back, because the more you go away from your support, just know that the market won't stay long there. The market will just come back. Something like here, the market was moving away from our support, then the market came back again. So away, the market can come back again. Away, something like that, then the market can come back again. So here, just wait. I think you should just wait for the market to give you those clues, because if we try to just try to be in the trade, for every trade you're going to be in trouble. You can just draw this wedge. If it's broken, you know now it's going down. If it's going up, you will see that, okay, now it's like bullish again. Then you can still have your nice buys. You can still have your buy around this area, but you should be careful, because the market can still go lower, right? So let's go on an hour and see. You can see this support is valid. Yeah, it's correct actually. So let's use 15 minutes. Yeah, it's something like this. So you can see actually this really makes some sense. So it means the market can it's been respecting this support, so we can see the market pushing up. So but since this support is tested several times, we can maybe see this support broken, maybe the market pushing lower to the next support. If that is broken, then we will say now the market is bearish, you see. But at the moment, we're still at our support. We can expect to buy. Maybe just place your buy pending order, but the momentum is no longer very strong. Just look at this small moves. Just look at the small moves. The market is no longer like going crazy as before. It means now the bullish, they no longer have that strong momentum, so they lost that power. So now you can see maybe the market going slower, you see, actually going down. The market from here can still go lower. So when we do the buy things, when we go long, we should be careful. We should also look at this most the bullish from yesterday, 2 days back. The momentum was not that strong, so don't expect to have that crazy move. So if you want to eat and run, you can just eat and run, hit and run, or eat and run. It's the same. So yeah, I think for NASDAQ we can still look for a buy, but remember, I think this is overbought. We can see maybe the market going slowly down, but stay focused on the support level, if they are broken or not. If they are not broken, it means we still we will still play with that. You can see that we will still recommend that. If it's broken, we'll say something else. We'll wait for the market to give us something. So here we're just waiting for that through that resistance. Then if it's broken, you can see Now the bullish is also strong. Even here you can still buy, but just make sure your stop loss is very close. So let's go straight to US30 and see what we can expect from US30, guys. I saw US30 was also going down. So here's US30. Let me go to a 4-hour time frame. We also had a very nice trading today. Here, guys, actually this thing is creating a new structure which we just have to adopt to it very quickly. So you can see here, let me start from this area. You can see from this area you can see, I hope you can see that. So this thing is creating, let me just delete that and throw it a very thin line. So from here, guys, lower low, lower low, you can see if we draw something here, you can see this thing is trying to show us something. You see, it's not really perfect, but you can see that the market maybe is trying to create something new, because we've been relying on a very old support. So now we have our new ones here, which is this one, and this one. So if we connect those ones, we get something like this. So the market can still push up, but we should make sure that this thing is still playing around this support that we just got by now. So it means now we can just throw something like this. The market is just creating something like this before we get that structure, because every time we get those structures, the market gives us those clues, you see. So we had a clue here, we have a clue, the market is creating something like this. So it means now we just have to wait for the market to show us if maybe wants to buy. You can see 1, 2, 3. So the market can still go up, but this, it seems to be the highest. Then we will see if the market will create something like that. If not, we will see what we can do, but it seems to be like that. Let's go on an hour and see. I just want to show you something. You can see what I was talking about here, and also I just want to show you something. This is a mind game, guys. If you don't apply your mind perfectly, you can see this. So this is a zone. So I think the market is creating something like that. So until we have that clear move, but it's not going to be clear because now is the beginning of this structure. I think the market will just play around. Then after then, when the market went up, we'll say we showed that market was around here and we missed that. So you should be like on your toes every time so that you don't miss nice moves. You can see this can make the market go higher because the market rejected from this area. We can see when we go back. Remember, this is a zone. It's not like it's supposed to be a straight line. You can just draw your rectangle like that and see, okay, when the market reaches this zone, the market bounces back. When the market reaches here, we see a bounce back. So even now, I think if the market doesn't go crazy lower, as you saw on NASDAQ, the market, it seems like it wants to drop. I think we can have a nice structure here. We can see maybe the market pushing up and showing us those structures, and we want that because I think now this is just creating another structure. We have to forget about the old one, because if we we stick to those resistance and supports, now they no longer make sense. So we have to see this one now and see if maybe we can have some nice structures beforehand, before everyone can see that. So yeah, let's go straight to gold. So sorry, before I go to gold, my expectation is here. You can still draw this here. I think this is a zone. Wait and see if this candlestick will break this, but I don't think maybe that will happen. If it happens, it's fine, but wait and see if this thing will create that nice move. Wait and see if this candlesticks will connect with these areas, even if I drawn something here. But just check if this will connect with each other. If they will connect, we have a nice structure, then it means we're going to move up, you see. I think this connect, guys. Yeah, I think they connect. So wait and see if that happens. If it doesn't happen, wait and see the market present that structure to, before you just take anything. Wait for the market to create those things. Né? So let's go straight to gold and see what we can expect from gold. Guys, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thanks to everyone who already smashed the subscribe button. I repeat, if you want to be in my signals group, just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Check my description. We have $15, one NASDAQ and US30 and gold. It's $15. So if you want to be in the group, it's $15 for those signals, and it's one time. You just pay once, then you're done. Okay, here it's gold, guys. Gold has been going a bit high. Okay, we've broken that. If you still remember, I said this was a resistance, so we've broken that. I see the market is coming back. Maybe if it comes here, it's where we can say now it's time to buy. So I don't think maybe on gold there's much, because I don't want to make this video long, but you can see that this thing broken that, so it's what we wanted. So let's wait for a retest, then take that retest. You can have some nice profits. Let's see on a smaller time frame. Let's see. Yeah, something like this. So yeah, it seems like it's very close to that support, is that resistance. Now is going to be that support. So yeah, we can expect the market to reach this area. If it's respected, we will see the market pushing up. If not, maybe the market will come back and go lower. So this is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex, guys. I don't want to make long videos. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you want to be in the group, you know what to do. Check my free group there in my description. I'm also on TikTok now. Check my Instagram also, that if you want any help, you can just talk to me there, guys. Thank you for watching. This is Kenzo Extra Hot Forex. Bow.